Hi guys, Matt Hussey here from a wet and windy Las Vegas and CES, and today we're at the unveiling of the Samsung's A8. Last year, Samsung brought out the S8 and S8 Plus, and it got some pretty spectacular reviews. So this year, they decided to take some of their best features from those phones and bring them into these. But behind those screens, you have new processors making multitasking easier than ever before, and memory expandable up to 256 gigs, so you're never going to run out of room. But what about those cameras? Well, above the screen you have not one, but two front-facing cameras. One of them is used to take your regular selfie shots. The other, however, can be used to blur the background using something called live focus. On the back, meanwhile, is a 16 megapixel camera that's perfect for low-light photography. But there's more. Thanks to a new feature called live focus, you can blur the background even after you've taken the shot. Samsung invited a few select journalists along, and here's what they thought.
Hi, my name's Tommy, Gadgets Boy online. It feels really nice in hand to hold. I like the curved sort of edges on the back. The wide angle lens is really great for selfies as well.
I'm Tom and I run the Tech Chap YouTube channel. I really like it. The biggest thing for me, I think, is the fingerprint reader on the back. I'm really happy they've moved it beneath the camera. It's a lot more convenient. I think the fact that you've got dual selfie cameras, you don't get that very often. And also, my favorite feature of the Note 8 when I got that was the live focus, or the portrait mode for selfies and things. The fact that you can now do that for selfies on this, I think that's really cool.
Both phones are IP68 water resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking shots in the rain or dropping it in the bath. The A8 will come in three colours: black, grey and gold.